So, hello mga ka-wonders! So, this is how we celebrated our Valentine's Day. Maulan that day, so we just decided to stay at home. Ayan, gustong-gusto naming nanonood ng mga food vlogs sa Pilipinas. And then, Ayers and I had a quick run to the commissary to check some flowers. Yan, simpleng decorations lang. And tada! Yan o, simpleng lang table setting namin ni Aries. And then we ended up getting some to-go food. Ayan, mga favorite ko yan. And then McDonald's kay Aries kasi yan yung gustong-gusto niyang kinakain. Gusto niyang kinakain pag sa fast food. And that's it, Go-Wonders. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching. Bye!